Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Nonetheless, in the event that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the appearance of blockchain that a large number understood the innate capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be outfit to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Chiliz, the group of followers, another fan-following component rising on this scene of the Chiliz network is the local token CHC, which empowers fans to trade Chiliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan token. The token additionally gives admittance to the encoded record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Fan token contribution offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona, Paris Holy Person Germain, and Atletico Madrid through fan tokens which are accessible on the fan commitment stage. Juventus Football Club was quick to send off a group token through the socios.com site. The site involves CHC tokens as a restrictive on-stage cash. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back, and a flood of thousands of such flexible groups have turned into a vital main thrust of this stage, including a diverse blend of sports like football, ball, and esports groups. Other than working together with the NBA group, the organization accomplices with Juventus and Paris Holy Person Germain. In the event that the organization keeps on developing like this, the cost examination in light of Chiliz's gauge will be decidedly impacted, making it a wise speculation. Chiliz, the engineers of the domain. Alexander Dreyfus holds the rod of being the torchbearer of the underpinning of the Chiliz organization and planting the seeds way back in 2016 for the Socios stage, having led outstanding situations in different combinations. He has shockingly as the organizer individual from WebCity, a city local escort stage across Europe. His name is well known among the poker local area, particularly the very first French on the web. Emma Deskin has loaned her mind to the organization of Chiliz as head working official beginning around 2018 and plays had an essential impact in corporate correspondences. She holds huge involvement with the media business. Thus, the diversion organization of Chiliz gigantically profited from her bits of knowledge. One more vital job player in the CHC coin network has been Max Rabinovich, who has loaned his quick methodologies to the organization, and his commitments have been commendable. The CHC cost denoted an enormous convention and contacted 75 cents in April, yet later it revised to the 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went until the start of August 2021. In September, the CHC cost again stirred things up around town mark. However, later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Nonetheless, in the wake of hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has denoted a ceaseless negative pattern, and presently it exchanges around 14 cents. Content for the CHC estimate referenced on the site content depends on our expectation of the base cost, obstruction level, greatest cost, and different pointers. We demand you do your own exploration recommending projected greatest cost, hypothesized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz's conjecture. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 21 cents on December 2023. The hopeful figure predicts a huge ascent with a future cost of 31 cents in 2024 and further going up to 91 cents in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 45 cents in the following 1 year. By 2027 and the normal most extreme cost might be around $2.57. According to Chiliz cost expectation, Chiliz cost will be 22 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the impending not many years between 34 cents minus 50 cents. As per Chiliz cost expectation specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chiliz could exchange around the greatest cost of 52 cents. Market Chiliz forecasts anticipate the base cost to be as low 42 cents in 2025. The worth of opposition levels R1, R2, and R3 are 17 cents, 19 cents, and 22 cents separately. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz gauge, the cost of Chiliz was 14 cents with an exchanging volume of CHC as $211,421,290 and the market cap of Chiliz was $975,279,844 with a coursing supply of 6,661,685,577 CHC. The ongoing all-time high is 89 cents. CHZ value expectation proposes that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, likely in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz has not soared on the trade ascending to brilliance. One conspicuous reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is setting down deep roots, increment, and fill in the market in full blossom according to underneath Chiliz cost expectations. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023 CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with instituting gain a lot greater cost of 35 cents as the projected most extreme cost. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 13 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on transient specialized examination done by showcase specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unstable with the high gamble included. Chiliz value expectation 2024 many theories are going ahead for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly taking into account the innovative declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate plans on. There are presumptions in light of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 35 cents. CHZ figure predicts the greatest cost and least cost to be 40 cents and 30 cents individually. Before you buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to streamline your system choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, obstruction level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unpredictable market. Chiliz Value Forecast 2025. According to Chiliz's cost forecast, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to get a move on with other cryptographic forms of money to obviously show up at the very least cost of 33 cents and a most extreme cost of 41 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ conjecture depicts a stunning confidence anticipated for the CHZ cost, chiefly because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Chiliz Value Forecast 2026. Violating all restrictions north of 2026 would without a doubt give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz cost forecast, upheld by strong savvy gets, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 59 cents in 2026. The approaching 5 years are supposed to bring an increment. Chiliz Value Forecast 2027. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to the CHZ cost conjecture. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the greatest cost of 60 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2028. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market, Chiliz cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will presumably be